Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add knowledge to Claude projects. So navigate to the Claude AI and click the project on the left hand sidebar right over here, projects, just like that. So now you can select an existing project from your list if you have it right here, or you can just click new project at the top right corner, upper right corner, not the top. And like that, you will create basically the new project. So let's say I will just put it in tests like that. And we have it right here, the new project. Okay, now we are in the project. Now, if you look on the right hand side panel of your project main screen to locate the project knowledge base, uh, you can click here instructions or files. And what you can do, just click plus icon and upload from the device, for example, and I will put this file right over here. And this file now is basically like a global file for our project. So right here in this, you can put in from the documents like PDFs, TXT files, doc files, ODT, EPUB files, CSV, HTML data. You can also put some source code, sniped scripts, or markdown documents, something like that. Now, what you can also do is set project instruction, which is right over here. Click on plus button, and we can type something in. So what we want, for example. So did we do it? Yes. When answering question, prioritize formatting layouts into tables, match our corporate style guide, and always cite which upload PDF and so on. Save instruction, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, this will now we can start typing here into the prompt, and in every chat we'll use this instruction and these files if we are asking something here in the prompt. And this is basically it. This is how to add knowledge to Claude projects. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next